Okay, it doesn't look like we have anybody else that are trying to log in right now. So I just want to take a minute and introduce myself. My name is Dawn Johnston, and I'm the procurement supervisor for North Penn School District. I want to let you know that we are recording this meeting, and we ask that you keep yourself muted until the end of the meeting. If you have any questions or comments, you can please hold those until after I've finished opening all the bids, and I will let you know when I have finished opening the bids. We will show you the bid results, and at that time, after that has happened, we will then open it up for any questions or comments, and we will go from there. So again, my name is Dawn Johnston. Thank you for joining us. Today is Monday, October 10th, 2022. We are here for the opening of the bids for the Viewsonic view boards. Today I have with me Bob Gilmer. He is the coordinator of communications media, and Craig Weirman, who is the communications media specialist. And we are opening these bids with the anticipation of reviewing all the results this week, and we will anticipate awarding this at the board meeting next week on Thursday, October 20th, as long as everything has been received and is in order for the bid. So with that, I'm going to start opening these bids, and I will record them on a spreadsheet, so you will see me looking and typing at some other documents as we go along here. Okay. First one I have here is from Adorama. They sent us two packages, Adorama. The second package they sent us is the official check, bid bond. The vendor's qualification statement is included, as well as the non-collusion affidavit. For the 150 Viewsonic interactive displays, they have bid $638,468.40. That's $638,468.40. For the alternate unit 1 pricing, they have bid $45,023.25. That's $45,023.25. And for the alternate 2 unit pricing, they bid $44,388 even. That's $44,388. Yeah. Next bid is from CDW. as a bid bond. There's a non-collusion affidavit and vendor's qualification statement. For the 150 Viewsonic interactive displays, they have bid $432,118.50. That's $432,118.50. For the alternate unit pricing one, they bid $30,252.45. That's $30,252.45. And for the alternate unit 2 pricing, they have bid $36,042.45. That's $36,042.45. And the last bid we have is for connection. It's really taped up. Okay, there is a non-collusion affidavit. There's the vendor's qualification statement. Not finding or bid bond yet. Okay. have to come back to that. Can't locate it. I'll have to look through the rest of the box and see if I'm missing something. We'll go to the bid for the 150 interactive displays. They bid $472,643.46. That's 472,643.46. For the alternate 1 unit pricing, they bid 32,257. I'm sorry, 32,257.35. That's 32,257.35. And for the alternate unit 2, they bid 39,228.30. That's 39,228.30. Okay. That concludes the opening of the bids. We had 3. And I will share my screen so you can see this. Give me 1 second. Let me open that up so everybody can see it. Okay, can everybody see that okay?
I can see it, Dawn.
Okay, thank you. All right. So that's going to conclude the opening of our bid. Do we have any questions from anybody? Okay, that being no questions, stopping the sharing of the screen, and that's going to conclude our bid for today. But I just want to thank you very much for joining us. I know it takes a lot of time to put these bids together, and we do really appreciate all the effort that is put forth. And we will review all these bids this week, and hopefully we'll get something presented to the board next Thursday, October 20th. And you'll hear from us shortly thereafter on whether or not the bid was awarded to your company. So thank you very much and have a great afternoon.